हॅलो, वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. मी कन्सिस्टन्सी जर्नीवर होते. पहिले या चॅनलवरती जो कोणी ऑडियन्स आहे त्याच्यासाठी हे नवीन नाही आहे की आय एम नॉट ॲट ऑल कन्सिस्टंट. सो टुडे इज डे 3 और वीक 3 और थर्ड संडे यू माइट से की जेव्हा आय एम अपलोडिंग. नजर नको लागो मला माझी, टचवूड. सो हॅशटॅग डे 3 व्लॉग 3. So let's start. Today is a second day of our Kaziranga Meghalaya trip. I have made a separate vlog of day number 1 previously. If you haven't watched that vlog, please click the I button. I have linked that video in there. On our itinerary today we had only 3 things. Jeep safari in Kaziranga National Park, travel back from Kaziranga to Shillong, and sunset at Umiam Lake. What we did was, in the morning we woke up. What happened is all 3 of us had put the alarm at same time. So all 3 phones, all 3 alarms went at the same time. So all 3 of us woke up at around 5:30, 6 o'clock. Weather outside was very beautiful. मतलब रात को आई थिंक 3:30 4 बजे तक तो ऑलमोस्ट बारिश हो रही थी, लेकिन सुबह जब हम उठे इट वॉज स्टॉप. लॉट्स ऑफ ग्रीनरी वॉज देयर, लॉट्स ऑफ बर्ड चर्पिंग, द पीस एंड द साइलेंस which we try to find in the city noise. We got it there. It was lot of silence, lot of peace, a little bit chilly because it just had stopped raining. So थोड़ा ठंडी था, लेकिन इतना भी नहीं था कि हम हुडी पहन ले. So it was a pleasant cold. And we got ready. And what we were going to do is we were going to have breakfast, then go to safari, then come back, take our luggage and start our journey. At breakfast there was chole puri and bread omelette. So we placed the order previous night itself. So उनका फूड रेडी था, हमें ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना पड़ा. तो हम गए, we had our breakfast, then we left at 7 o'clock from our hotel. We had booked a jeep safari. There were 2 types of safaris there. So one is elephant safari and one is jeep safari. So there are 2 major differences. Elephant safari doesn't go long, doesn't go far, it doesn't cover much area. It just covers a little bit and then the elephants return back. And jeep safari goes a little deep inside the national park to see other animals as well, apart from single horned rhinos. There were other few animals also there, so it goes a little deep. Once the jeep safari started, within 5 minutes we got the sighting of one horned rhinos. So it was very surprising and we were very lucky because हमने होटल में भी पूछा था कि हम कितने बजे जाए, कि कितने बजे का बुक करें और कौन सा रूट ले. बिकॉज देर आर इन जीप सफारी ऑल्सो देर आर 2-3 रूट्स. सो वी आस्क कि कौन सा रूट ले जिससे हमें साइटिंग हो जाएगा वन हॉर्न राइनोसॉर का, कौन से रूट में हमें जल्दी दिख जाएंगे एक्सेट्रा. सो उन्होंने हमें बताया था कि टेक दीज रूट्स, आपको जल्दी दिख जाएंगे. इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू गेट द साइटिंग बट जनरली हो जाता है. So we took those routes and within 5 minutes we were so lucky that हमें 2 one-horned rhinoceros दिखे. It was very far away. वो काफ़ी दूर खड़े थे. Of course फ़ोटो लेने के लिए सामने तो खड़े रखेंगे नहीं. It was national park. There were no boundaries to animals. They can roam around. We saw one huge buffalo with a huge शिंग. शी वॉज सिटिंग बट वो हमारे तरफ मुँह करके बैठी नहीं थी, वो दूसरे साइड मुँह करके बैठी थी. तो वी कुड ओनली सी द बैक साइड ऑफ हर एंड द हॉर्न्स. एंड वी सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डक्स. Then we saw an elephant. There were a lot of birds, different kinds of birds. I don't think we could catch them in the camera, but there were lots of birds. Like एक bird था बाहर से पूरा black था, but when he is sitting he is completely black. We cannot see shades, but when he opens his wings there are blue shades inside the wing. So outside is black and inside the wing there are blue shade, and the blue shade is very unique. It's not like common natural blue which we see. It's a very different blue shade. So I was so thrilled to see. I don't know the name, but the bird was very very beautiful. When it flew na, that blue shade, it was amazing. And then the safari ended and we took some pictures, we took some videos of the scenery of the road. We almost had a feeling of like कि we were in a Jurassic World. एंड वहाँ पे कैसे वो बॉल के अंदर वो रोम अराउंड कर रहे थे डायनासोर्स के पास, पूरा वैसा फीलिंग आ रहा था कि थोड़ा सा ऐसे क्लाउडीश वेदर है, थोड़ा रेनी सीजन टाइप लग रहा है. देर आर हिल्स एंड अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीनरी एंड अ स्पेस बिटवीन दोज हिल्स. I surely was thinking like we were in a Jurassic World movie, and every other animal is like a dinosaur to us. So it was really very beautiful. All our yesterday's travel, the journey, really very worth it. Every single minute of yesterday's journey was worth this safari, this 2 hours. If you are in a Kaziranga, if you are planning to visit Meghalaya, please visit Kaziranga National Park and please take one of that jeep safari. It is worth every single penny which you pay. Because my relatives went there, they were in Kaziranga for almost 1.5 days. They took both the safaris. In the morning, they took jeep safari. They went from jeep, they came back to hotel, had breakfast, and in the afternoon, they went for elephant safari. So in one trip, in one day, they took both the safaris. So they enjoyed fully. We took only jeep safari, then we came back because we have to travel back to Shillong. So if you are gonna stay there more than half a day or full entire one day, then please take both the safaris. Both the safaris are worth it. We came back to the hotel. The jeep dropped us back. We had our luggage packed, so we didn't took much time. We just went to the room. We took our luggage, came back. We checked out of the hotel, and then we started our journey from Kaziranga to Shillong. And the journey, the road, it wasn't that exciting or that beautiful than the jeep safari. So I haven't shot much of the road travel. And we had lunch in between, and we only had now one thing left in our itinerary, that is Umiam Lake. What happened was we reached at the Umiam Lake at 5 o'clock, and that lake closes at 4:30. So our sunset was gone at that lake, but we had some other plans. So we had our sunset, we got the sunset view, sunset vibe, we took some pictures, and then we left from there. So for reaching to the hotel, it took us almost a night. It was 7:38 at that we reached hotel. After that we had all our energy was gone. हमने नहा धो के सब रेडी हुए, देन वी हैड डिनर एंड वी स्ट्रेट वेंट टू स्लीप. हम सो गए, घोड़े बेच के सो गए. सो दिस वॉज काइंड ऑफ डे 2. मैं आपको और एक बता देती हूँ. द होटल विच वी स्टेड इन काजीरंगा, ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. यू वोंट सी, बिकॉज वो जो होटल था वो जंगल के अंदर ही प्लेस था. बिकॉज काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क का जो स्टार्टिंग है ना, बिकॉज वो नेशनल पार्क को ऐसे बाउंड्री नहीं है जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क को पूरा बाउंड्री है, देयर इज सीमेंट वॉल प्लेस्ड अराउंड द नेशनल पार्क. तो वैसे वहाँ पे नहीं है. द नेशनल पार्क इज कम्प्लीटली ओपन, इट इज़ वाइल्ड ओपन, एंड देयर इज़ नो काइंड ऑफ अ बाउंड्री और सिचुएटेड स्पेसिफिक एरिया. सराउंडिंग में पूरा जंगल, ऑलमोस्ट जंगल वाइब्स था. देर वेर लॉट ऑफ ट्रीज एंड एवरीथिंग. बहुत बड़ा रूम था फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल, जंगल के अंदर होटल था. सो वी वर काइंड ऑफ एक्सपेक्टिंग कि कुछ तो सम गेस्ट वी वुड सी इन आवर रूम. गेस्ट्स लाइक कॉकरोचेस, लिजर्ड्स, मॉस्किटोज, some different types of kidas, butterflies, but none of that was there. We didn't found out a single lizard, a single cockroach. There was no mosquitoes, none. and the room itself was very hygienic, like very clean, decent, big room. All in all, a very good hotel and a very good experience. So I would highly recommend that hotel. I would link that hotel's description or the address down below in the comment section. It is budget friendly, Nature Hunt Eco Camp. So this was the hotel name. It was a very beautiful day and a very beautiful safari. I'm in love with that place. I just want to go there again. So stay tuned. And if you like this video, then subscribe, like, comment, the regular stuff. So see you next time. Until then, bye. Thank you.